Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It is the weekend, that means that it's time for the weekly chart breakdown. If you have been enjoying the video so far, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now without further ado, I'd say let's get right into it. So most of you already know the vibes. I like to start off on GBPJPY and I start off on a weekly time frame and then work myself down. So on the pair GBPJPY, we can see that on the weekly time frame, we had the price react on this major support zone right here. So here we had a form of support, here we had a form of a support, and now currently we are rejecting the support here as well. Another thing that you can see is that we did close in a bullish engulfing on the weekly time frame, closing above our previous resistance right here. Now all of this is indicating to us that this support on the weekly time frame did hold very well and that we could expect some further bullish movement from this moment on. So then going down into the daily time frame, we also see a form of a double bottom right here forming and a lot of bullish volume as well. So the last candle closed in a bullish candle right here, closing above our daily support and resistance, which we can see here. So now only based off that, I am more bullish biased. Keep in mind we are still in an overall bearish trend on the weekly time frame, but as soon as we break this high right here, it will be a confirmed change in the trend, actually changing into a bullish trend. So now going down into the 4-hour time frame, this is basically the setups that I will be waiting for. So the first one will be a very high probability trade, which would be I will wait for a 4-hour candle close above this daily support right here and also key level, which is the 161 level. So 4-hour candle close above, wait for a retest down into this zone, and then wait for a 30-minute or 15-minute time frame entry signal to then look to buy up into this next 4-hour zone right here. Now another thing that could happen is we could see price coming down into this support right here, which also will be a key level, the 160 level right here. So if price comes down here, I would like to see how it reacts, and if it gives us a bullish engulfing or a morning star pattern on a 30-minute or 15-minute time frame, I will be looking to buy up into this resistance zone right here once more. Now anything below this daily support level right here, we could wait for a retest to then look to sell back down into this next daily level. But my bias on GJ overall is pretty bullish right now, but in order to confirm the bullish bias, we do need to see a break of this high right here to confirm that we will continue bullish. Now everything below could still turn back and become sells again. Now if you want to take high probability sells, what you would like to wait for is to wait for a break of this low right here. So you want to see price coming down, breaking this last higher low right here, wait for a retest to then look to sell back down into the next zone. But like I said, my bias for this upcoming week overall is pretty bullish. Alright, now coming to the next pair, GBPUSD, we start off on the weekly time frame as well, and we can see beautiful bullish structure forming here. So here on the weekly time frame, this was our last higher high, which just got broken by this new higher high right here. So every time when we form a higher high, we want to wait for a higher low to be formed to then take advantage to take buys off of that higher low. So now going on the daily time frame, we also see a beautiful rejection candle. Let me zoom in on that. So here we have this beautiful rejection candle right here. We see that price came all the way down into this 4-hour support and buyers took control and pushed the price all the way back up, currently closing right here. So then going down into the 4-hour time frame, we are currently in this 4-hour range right here. So here I would like to wait for a breakout to the upside. So if it's a breakout to the upside, this also will be a high probability buy. Why? Because we are in an overall bullish trend, so we always want to trade with the trend. So what you want to wait for is a break above, close above, wait for a retest, wait for an entry signal, and then look to buy up into this next zone. If we should get another break off this daily resistance zone right here, then it's basically the same thing. We just want to wait for a break, retest, to then look to buy up into our next key levels or zones of interest. Now anything below, I mean, if price comes below and breaks this support right here, we could wait for a break and retest to then sell down into this area right here. But if I were to enter on this trade, I would enter with medium or low probability, because keep in mind it will be counter trend trading. So against the trend, we don't want to risk that much money. Now anything below this daily support right here, we could wait for another retest to then look to sell down into this range right here. Now this will be a little more of a higher probability trade, so you can take that into consideration as well. But overall for me right now, I'm very bullish biased still, just like last week. So we had like beautiful bullish momentum since last week and the weeks before as well. So I'm still bullish biased. I can still see GU continuing bullish this week. And now coming to gold dollar. So here the previous week before this week we had this huge bullish push right here, and now last week we had this form of a doji on the weekly time frame as well. So when I activate my levels, we can see that we are currently trading above our weekly support and resistance zone. So going down into the daily time frame, we also see that we had a huge bullish push right here. So bullish candle closed above our previous resistance, which we can see all through here. So we closed above, came back down, had our retest right here, and this is currently, the support is currently holding as well. So then going down into the 4-hour time frame, I can see beautiful trade lining up right here for buys. So we could potentially see another smaller minor retest down into this 4-hour support before price will push up into this next resistance right here. Now if you want to be on a safer side, wait for a breakout above, wait for a 4-hour candle close above, wait for the retest to then look to continue buying up into this 1940 level. Now anything below this support will be medium probability sells all the way down into this 1907 level. So, but overall, you know, on a daily, seeing the weekly, my bias is very bullish still on gold as well. So I will only be looking for buys unless we do get this break off this low right here. Then I would like to wait and see if price can hold as a resistance right here, to then look to sell down into this next daily level. But I am expecting a bullish push to the upside on this pair as well. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it very informational. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you on the next one. Peace.